Did you know thieves once cracked the world's most secure vault using modified dental drills? In 2001, Leonardo Notarbartolo posed as a respectable Italian diamond merchant in Antwerp's Diamond Center. For 2 years, he built trust with dealers while secretly studying their €100 million vault. He mapped every security system, every camera angle, every weakness. His team converted dental equipment into vault-cracking tools and discovered hairspray could disable motion sensors. Over one weekend, they bypassed 10 layers of security that experts called impossible to breach. They drilled through steel reinforcement and opened safe deposit boxes containing decades of stored diamonds. But one forgotten piece of evidence led police straight to them: the perfect heist undone by a single mistake.